Hello, welcome to Monarchy Threads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this awesome Valentine's Day wall decoration. And you will be using the hearts that I showed you how to make in the previous video. You'll be using some elements from outside, some stuff you have inside, and if you crochet, then the hearts will be easy to make. But if you don't crochet, like I said, watch the previous video, and it's so easy, you'll be able to do it in no time. Over here we have our supplies. We're of course going to use scissors, crochet hook, we're going to need some needle, also going to need some crochet thread and some yarn. And a stick from outside, which is easy to find. And now I'm showing you how I made the hearts, which is super simple. Of course, this is a fast version. You can always go to the previous video, like I said before, and watch, and you can find out how to make these hearts. And here I'm showing you how to sew in the ends, which is super important because you don't want to leave that out. Believe me, it looks bad. And of course right here, showing you how I thread the hearts to the stick using the crochet thread. And here's me putting each threaded heart on the stick. Forgot to film wrapping the stick with the yarn, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea of how to do that. Sorry, next time. Here it is.